Welcome to How Does Cryptocurrency Work? A Beginner's Guide. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is digital money that doesn't require a bank or financial institution to verify transactions and can be used for purchases or as an investment. It exists only in digital form and is tracked on a blockchain, an unchangeable ledger that records assets and trades. Mining is the process of creating cryptocurrency. It uses specialized hardware and software to add transactions to the blockchain. Not all cryptocurrency comes from mining. Some are created through a hard fork. Traditional currency. Cryptocurrency has no government, bank, or financial institution controls. You store cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, and they offer advantages such as privacy and global accessibility. Cryptocurrency is available as coins or tokens. The first cryptocurrency introduced was Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum and other common altcoins. To start with cryptocurrency, you'll need to choose a broker or crypto exchange. Then, create and fund your account, buy crypto, and select a storage method. Ready to get into cryptocurrency? Learn more about crypto technology and how it works on Coursera.